Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start with QuickBooks. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your business, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, you'll create your company file, entering essential details like your business name and industry. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction downloads, saving you significant time on data entry. This foundational setup ensures your financial records are accurate from day one. Once your accounts are linked, focus on categorizing your transactions. This step is crucial for understanding where your money goes and comes from. QuickBooks allows you to easily create and send professional invoices, ensuring you get paid promptly. When payments arrive, record them efficiently and apply them to the correct invoices, keeping your accounts receivable up to date. This process provides a clear financial picture of your business operations. Regular reporting is vital for informed decision-making. QuickBooks offers various reports, such as the profit and loss statement, to show your business's financial health. Monthly, reconcile your bank and credit card statements to ensure all transactions are accounted for and match your records. This helps catch errors and prevent fraud. Regularly reviewing these reports provides valuable insights, helping you identify trends and make strategic adjustments. Beyond the basics, QuickBooks offers advanced features to streamline your operations further. Implement budgeting tools to set financial goals and track your progress against them, ensuring fiscal discipline. If you have employees, explore the integrated payroll features to manage salaries, taxes, and benefits efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office. These tools empower you to manage your business comprehensively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.